Hello students, I hope you are all keeping well. Today let us learn counting of numbers in Hindi. Ginti means counting of numbers. So let us count the numbers in Hindi from 11 till 20. Let us start counting of numbers. 11 in Hindi is gyarah. Gyarah. Gyara is 11. 12. 12 is barah. Barah is 12. Barah. 13. 13 is terah. Terah. Terah is 13. 14. 14 is chaudah. Chaudah. Chaudah is 14. 15 is pandrah. Pandrah. Pandrah is 15. 16 is solah. Solah. Solah is 16. 17 is satrah. Satrah. Satrah is 17. 18 is atharah. Atharah. Atharah is 18. 19 is unnis. Unnis. Unnis is 19. 20. 20 is bees. Bees. Bees is 20. Before we conclude, let us revise once again. Gyarah, barah, terah, chaudah, pandrah, solah, satrah, atharah, unnis, bees. So my dear students, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching and we will meet again in the next video.